check this out. No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
What do you see there, Bucks? Looks like a lot of work.
Round one.
What is all that stuff, Jesse? What's it called?
The car.
Body. The car. All right. Well, this is called the car, I guess.
I saw this guy, tire guy.
Yep, tire guy right there. All right, guys. You guys see it? From my 85 V30. I'm gonna give you guys a better look at it. But as of right now, you guys are only gonna see the back bumper because everything else is backed up. But the back bumper has a crack right there and a crack right there. So I gotta fix both of those. Once I fix both of those, it should be good. I just bought the repair kit, so I'm gonna try to repair it right now. And yeah.
Round two, fight.
Jesse, what do we got right there? What is it, Bucks? What do we got? Come on, tell me. Yep, we got a body kit for the E30. What is that, Jesse? All that stuff right there. It's a body kit for my E30. What is it? Look at that tattoo. What is all that stuff? Man, you know what all that stuff is. Alright, man. Whatever. You see it. We got a Duraflex body kit for the E30, man. Alright, so today is day 2 of having the body kit. I don't know really where I left off, but there's 2 cracks. This one's coming out so-so. This one's coming out pretty good. I'm not too sure yet. Because I don't really know how to use fiberglass. So, I'm trying my best. But, looks way better. This is just something my dad got to me. Jesse! Jesse!
The fuck, man? What the fuck, man?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Alright, so today's the next day. I tried getting some video for y'all as much as I could. But yeah, man. Now we're just waiting on the rest of the body kit to show up. And once it shows up, we're taking off the diving board back bumpers. And we're getting into it. Both skirts are on. I had to make cutouts on both of them so I could use the jack points. I still have to make 2 more in the front. But as of right now, this shit's pretty good. Yeah. I like it. It's not perfect. It's Duraflex, you know. Not gonna be the best, but my car didn't have side skirts, and I don't know. It looked way better to me than just stop. And whenever I slam it, I don't have to drop it that low because my skirts are gonna be an issue. So I'm gonna look low, but I'm not gonna be slow. So that's all that matters to me. And once I put the rest of the body kit on, I think you guys know what's next. Suspension, and then some wheels, man. Or I was thinking about re-lipping these. I don't know if I can. Like, I don't know what kind of rim these are. I've heard of people ask for a pair of RSs on Instagram before, but I don't know if they're talking about these. If anybody knows what kind of rim this is, let me know. Because if I'm able to re-lip these, I'll just make these deep dish and run these. That'd be kind of cool. Because they're pretty good in size. They're 16s. So, let me know. And then, yeah, I can't wait to get rid of this back bumper. But the front bumper is going to look so sick. I can't wait for that either. Because the OEM one already doesn't fit that well for some reason. And I just really want to get it gone. So if anybody's looking for some OEM bumpers, let me know. No, I'm joking. I'm keeping them. Never know. Might have to sell it back to some old dude. Bring it down to stock.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
See, look, it doesn't even fit well right here in the back. Like, what is this? Was this made by Duraflex too?